Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to explore a next level upgrade to a classic trading tool, and that is the Better Bollinger Bands Indicator for MetaTrader 4. All right, I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right now. Okay, the Better Bollinger Bands Indicator. All right, now this version enhances trend and volatility detection with multicolor visualizations and custom alerts. You can see that as I added the indicator to the chart, we got an alert immediately. So the indicator actually has the alert function, so that you don't necessarily need to be staring at your charts all day. You don't necessarily need to be staring at your charts all day, because the indicator can give you alerts, okay, based on predefined rules. All right, okay, so taking advantage of its multicolor visualizations and custom alerts, this indicator helps traders to spot breakouts, trend shifts, and reversals with accuracy. So if you're looking to improve your market analysis and make smarter trading decisions, then this video is for you. So make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on top tier trading strategies. Okay, now let us just get started real quick. All right, let us get started. So what is the Better Bollinger Bands Indicator? What exactly is this indicator? Well, the Better Bollinger Bands Indicator is an advanced version of the traditional Bollinger Bands, and it is designed to provide clearer trend signals and volatility alerts. So as you can see, this indicator consists of three bands. We have the upper band, which signals potential overbought conditions or price resistance. We have the middle band, which acts as a moving average to identify trend direction. And we have the lower band, which suggests oversold conditions or price support. Okay, so the Better Bollinger Bands Indicator takes things further by introducing multicolor visualization. You can see that there are different colors right on the indicator, and these indicate trend strength and direction. If you look closely, you will notice that when there is a dominating bullish momentum, the color is usually steadily in blue. That is for the upper band, and the lower band is steadily in blue, right? Then when we have bearish momentum prevailing, you will notice the color will change to this is it purple, kind of purple like color when bearish momentum is taking over, or when we have a prevailing bearish trend. You will notice that the color is going to be dominantly in that is it pinkish purple or something like that, right? While the middle band is steadily in green. Okay, so this multicolor visualization can help you know when a particular momentum is prevailing, whether bullish or bearish. Okay, and then it has custom alerts, like we have already seen. It ensures that traders never miss key breakout or trend reversal signals. Okay, and then with respect to slope detection, the indicator can help you identify whether the market is bullish. Of course, as you can see, the slope is going to tell you whether it's bullish or bearish or consolidating. Obviously, we had a bullish trend here. Obviously, we had a consolidating trend here. This was bullish. This was bullish, and this was clearly bearish, right? So now let us go over how traders can use this indicator to spot opportunities and avoid false signals. Okay, for your bullish trade setup, just look for price touching the lower Bollinger Band during an uptrend. Please ensure that it's an uptrend. Okay, to only trade in the direction of the trend. So look for price touching the lower Bollinger Band, like this is an example, during an uptrend. Then check if the bands are sloping upwards. The bands should be sloping upwards, confirming bullish momentum. Then you can just wait for a bullish candlestick pattern, maybe like this. Now a bullish candlestick pattern should form, or other confirmation, before entering your trade. All right, then you can target resistance zones for your exits, or maybe when the price starts obviously consolidating, like what we can see happen around here. So imagine you had entered around here and then probably exited around here, so you would have caught a good number of pips, roughly around is it 300 pips now, thereabouts. Okay, so for your bearish setup, you can just watch for price hitting the upper Bollinger Band during a downtrend. This was an example, yeah, and then ensure the bands are sloping downwards, okay, signaling sustained selling pressure. Then you can enter when bearish confirmation appears. Always have a bearish confirmation, please, such as a strong rejection or an engulfing candle. This was an engulfing candle we had around here, right? So probably this would have been a good place to enter a sell. And then just okay, in the case of a sell, your stop loss can be above the previous swing high, all right? Then your take profits can be at support zones, or maybe when the slope of the Bollinger Band starts changing direction, maybe the color changes to blue and it starts sloping upwards, you can then exit your sell. In the case of a buy, obviously your stop loss is going to be below the previous swing low, and when the slope of the Bollinger Band starts coming downwards, or maybe you have a consolidation phase or something that negates the bullish momentum, then you can exit your buy trade. All right. Now, one of the biggest advantages of the Better Bollinger Bands Indicator is its volatility detection. When volatility increases, you will notice that the bands will expand, like you can see happen here. That's when volatility increases. Okay, it means that the market is active and price movements are stronger. But when you have volatility decreasing, the bands will contract. You can see what happened here, how the bands contracted, showing that volatility actually decreased. All right, so it's warning traders that a breakout could be coming, and you can see we actually had a breakout to the upside. So this feature helps traders avoid sideways market and instead focus on high probability setups where momentum is strongest. To even get better accuracy, traders can combine Bollinger Bands with other indicators such as the RSI, for example, to confirm overbought and oversold conditions, or you can even confirm with can combine with the MACD, to help spot trend changes early, or you can even combine with any other indicator of your choice. Okay, and also make sure you pay attention to resistance and support levels. These are very, very important price points on your chart. So using these tools together helps traders avoid false signals and make more informed trading decisions. The Better Bollinger Bands Indicator is a game changer for traders looking to improve volatility detection, trend analysis, and breakout spotting. With its multicolor visuals and custom alerts, this tool provides greater clarity and precision in your trading strategy. Okay, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've used the Better Bollinger Bands Indicator before. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.